In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to estimate some square roots. And it's a very quick video, so stick around for all the tricks, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says for the square root of 77, what two integers is it between? So the first thing is to remember that taking the square root is the inverse of squaring. So it's kind of like the opposite of squaring. So the square root of 4 equals 2, since 4 equals 2 squared. So the square root of a perfect square is always a whole number. It's always a whole number. These are perfect squares. So now we can find the perfect squares that are just below and just above 77. So what are those? The perfect square just below 77 is 64. So the square root of 64 equals 8 because 8 squared is equal to 64. The perfect square is just above, the perfect square just above 77 is 81. So now 81, square root of 81 equals 9 because 81 equals 9 squared. Okay, it's a perfect square. So we know that the square root of 77 is in between 8 and 9. Okay, so that's how you write this notation. 8 is less than 77, and in turn, 77 is less than 9. And that's it. That's how you do that problem. Don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it, and you'll find a link there to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.